New at 6, questions flooding in ever since you decided to lower the penalties for marijuana possession last month. Many wondering how this ordinance is being policed. So we sent 41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield to City Hall to get answers.
It's been more than 1 month since Kansas City voters went to the polls, voting yes to lower the penalty for possessing a small amount of marijuana. And today, City Council members say they are still trying to address unintended consequences.
It reduced the penalty, but not necessarily the consequences or the criminality of it. And so by reducing the penalty, with jail not being a part of the range of punishment, they're no longer automatically eligible for indigent legal defense.
In Kansas City, if you're now caught with 35 grams of marijuana or less, you'll face a $25 fine and avoid jail time. But you can't get free legal help fighting the charge. There's also the question of who figures out how much pot you have.
How do you know if it's 35 grams or 42 grams? They still have to collect the marijuana as evidence, come to court to testify, and the max penalty is only $25. That's a huge burden on KCPD to be able to go through that to effectively enforce the ordinance.
Kansas City Police tells us their protocols will not and have not changed. Even before this ordinance, marijuana was always tested and weighed by a field sergeant or taken to a desk sergeant at a station. Still, Councilwoman Alicia Kennedy worries about the long-term consequences. Like if you're caught in the parts of KC that are in Platte or Clay counties, where your case could still be bumped up to the state.
It's clear as mud. The big picture people need to understand, it's still unlawful to possess marijuana.
In Kansas City, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.